Hello and welcome to SNY Delicious Food. Today we are going to make chicken noodles stir-fry. Before we go any further, if you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to our channel. For our dish, the main ingredients are chicken breast cut into strips, egg noodles ready to work, frozen vegetables. I'm going to use peas and green beans, red pepper, sliced onion, sliced garlic, 1 carrot cut into small cubes, a handful of spring onion. I'll also need to use soy sauce, hoisin sauce, nutmeg, black pepper, and sunflower oil. Please refer to the description below for more information. I will start by marinating the chicken. Use about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce to marinate the chicken. Mix all well together, then keep in the fridge for about an hour. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken in a pan without crowding it. While the chicken has been fried, you can add freshly ground black pepper. Flip the chicken occasionally to make sure it's cooked on both sides. While you are stirring the chicken, there will be some juice that will come out, then this will eventually dry out. Once the liquid dries out, your chicken will turn a little bit golden. Keep stirring until they are slightly crispy, but not too crispy. You don't want the chicken to be too hard. My chicken is now ready. I will take it out of the pan and put it aside on a plate. In the same pan with the remaining oil, add the carrots and stir well. Let the carrots cook for about 2 minutes, then add sliced garlic. Then you can add the sliced onion. Mix all together and allow the onion to also cook in a mix. About 2 minutes after that, you can add the red pepper. Continue to stir fry all the fresh vegetable, then add the frozen one. I'm adding the frozen green beans, then the frozen peas, and mix everything together. Just keep mixing for a few more minutes. Then you can add about 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce to the vegetables and continue to stir. As the vegetables are becoming a bit tender, you can add the chicken to the mix. And then I will add the hoisin sauce. I will now adding the hoisin sauce to the mix, about a few tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Mix everything very well, then add the spring onion. After adding the spring onion, we can add the egg noodles. We'll be putting the egg noodles in small batches to make sure that everything is combined very well. And now I'm gonna add the second batch of egg noodles. As all the vegetables are being stir-fried together, I'm adding now nutmeg. And now our stir-fry is ready. You can add a little bit of salt to your taste, but it looks so delicious. Thank you very much for watching SNY Delicious Food. If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have other delicious dishes that we made. You can review our channel for more information.